I'm going to take some shots right here in my garden. Okay, now go. 3, 2, 1. You know what? Better. Okay, next shot. We're at the Sonic Sizzlers first birthday barbecue earlier with some family, no friends.
I've got Zach.
Okay, sorry, they were saying people in the family's name. Ooh! That was close. You know what? I think I might get a new ball. Different ball. Oh, there we go. EFL Championship.
There's cornflour in it. I don't specifically say gluten free.
Let's go. You know what? I'm going to take a PK.
What about mace? Mace.
Okay, I'm going to take a PK. I'm just bad. Wait, I found this. People do it. Wait. See? Do it. Line. There I did. Do it, guys. You do it. See? Great. That was great. Okay, we've got like 12 seconds left, so we're going to take one more. We're going to take a free kick, then we're done for my training.